As a first-time attendee, when you walk into the Clinical Lab Expo Hall, you may feel a huge sense of awe-inspiring wonder. There's a lot that's going on and so much to take advantage of, so just buckle up, put on your walking shoes, and get ready to take advantage of it all.
I love to take pictures of the expo and all the amazing things, but they just really don't do it justice. On the expo floor, you get to see vendors that you maybe wouldn't otherwise have exposure to, and I always find at least one thing that I had never heard about that I can implement in my laboratory.
As far as hot topics for the meeting, certainly laboratory developed tests, so that's going to be on everyone's radar. And then beyond that, we'll see what innovations are happening in the field of laboratory medicine or new collaborations or technologies. You're not going to want to miss it.
ADLM 2025, we're going to bring the wonder.
Bring the wonder.
Bring the wonder.